Yeah, like if you're staring at it and then you stare at the light and then you close your eye.
I
can see the spiral. It looks like an eye, like a spirally eye.
Illuminati.
That's the conspiracy
of the palette.
Hello everyone, I'm Mimi.
And I'm Lala.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome. Today's video, we are reviewing the Conspiracy palette by Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star.
If you'd like to see how we got these looks using this palette and our thoughts on it, just continue watching.
You better.
Continue watching. Thanks.
Thank you.
We both kind of have an idea of what we're going to do. We haven't even swatched the palette.
So this palette is very versatile to where you do have your neutrals, but you have various colors as well. So you can really go all crazy or do your everyday look. What I'm thinking of right now when I saw this palette, and I decided that I wanted to do a neutral, was use the neutrals but use this yellow color, which is food videos, to kind of use in the inner corner, which I got inspired by I Love Sarai's channel, her tutorial on the neutral with the pop of color of the yellow, but I'm going to try to do my own twist to it.
And I'm just going to basically use mostly this bottom row. So yeah, let's get started.
Let's do it.
One thing that I'm really excited about that I think a lot of people, because you've watched like the development of this palette, is like saying like, oh, I'm gonna use not a fact. You know what I mean? Like the shade names are just so cool and like.
Yeah, Tio Shane has been our YouTube go-to for a couple of years now.
Yeah.
That's why he's Tio Shane.
Tio Shane. Yeah, and then
Jeffree as well.
So it's like
that was like the perfect collab for like
it's like both worlds collided and okay.
My first one's gonna be Tanacon with the teardrop. Ooh, I'm so excited. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid as the base.
Okay, and mine is gonna be Not a Fact, which is literally like probably the one shade that costed me the most, just because I'm like a purple fan, like burgundy purple fan. And first I'm gonna, literally haven't done makeup, like our makeup, in like a while, like
we're rusty.
And we'll have a video that's kind of gonna catch you guys up if you've even been following us, or if like you're new to our channel, obviously, like kind of give you a background on us.
Yeah.
But we have taken a break, and so we have like kind of a coming back video that will be linked down below and somewhere up here, so you guys can watch that.
So I feel like Tanacon is very much like my skin color because I can't see it, but it's a good it's a good what is that called? Base. Yeah, base color to where I can just mattify my lids. Oh my god, that looks beautiful already.
I'm barely stamping any on, like very lightly. If you can tell, like
it's a look already.
Like you kind of dipped in it hard, and there's like some, and I barely have like any like kick up or whatever, and like this is the payoff, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, we're trying to get back in the groove.
Try to get comfortable again with y'all.
We're really setting like goals, and we really want to, I don't know how to explain it.
We're trying to do this thing.
Yeah, and it's like it's gonna take us a little while, so please like and subscribe to see our journey.
Help your sisters out.
So this was the only thing we were able to get from the collection, and there was that whole like what is it, delay with the
shut down with Jeffree.
Yeah. So what I did,
website.
What I did was I thought I would be able to use Afterpay with the Morphe website because, financial decisions, which I actually wasn't able to. But it was kind of like, I guess, the better choice because even though it took me like 20 minutes to check out, I didn't have to go through like the whole shutdown or like delay with the website. I did try to get the Are You Filming lipstick, and then by the time I got checked out, it was already sold out.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so
I've never experienced that. She's always the one that she sets her alarm and she buys a palette. So we're actually sharing this palette. It has 2 homes.
Yes. But maybe I can already tell that probably like later on I'd probably get my own and because it'd be good for each of us to have. It's just so, and it's an extra support to our deal.
I'm using this tapered brush to use Diet Root Beer to intensify it in my crease.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with Pigment, which I just think is the cutest name.
Oh, like the little pig.
To just kind of blend out the very edge of Not a Fact. I really hope that after this series we get some more conspiracy videos from Shane because I really miss those.
I know.
And
hey guys, I mean, we love all of his videos, but those are our
the food videos are funny too.
The food videos.
Hola. So yo, it's me. Or what did he say? I don't know. So I'm gonna take Sleep Paralysis right into the center and kind of blend that out and go back with the Not a Fact and just kind of make it work. Okay, these two look super pretty together.
I know. I'm like, maybe I should have done a colored look.
Sleep Paralysis, it's like
an amethyst.
It's got purple hues, but not
grayish.
really grayish, brown,
Yeah.
even brownish in there too. I feel like.
What I have been doing to deepen my crease is mixing Diet Root Beer and my right here. So if you're of darker complexion, Tanacon
is more of a base color for you.
Right here.
Root Beer, you could see.
You can see it. Okay.
And then now you're mixing it. But I know it's hard to tell, but I'm sure on camera you can also see it a lot more than you can see it in person.
I'm using my finger. My pinky. Yeah.
I remember when I was first learning makeup or getting into makeup. That's pretty. It'll look perfect. I felt like I couldn't use my fingers. I felt like it was always brush, swish, brush. And now I feel well, especially with these kind of shades, your finger really.
Yes.
It's hard when you have nails though.
Get the crusts out of my eyes. Before I do a pop of color. Gonna dip into food videos in the corner.
I'm gonna use Illuminati, which is the other shade that was okay. So this one's a sparkly teal greenish. So I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line.
Okay, and I'm gonna try cheese dust for under my eyes for a little bit, for more pop of color.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with What's the Tea? Then I'm pretty much almost done. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of Diet Cola and put that in the inner corner. What's been your favorite part about the series?
Well, I really like that they showed the business meetings. That was my favorite part.
Yeah, that's been my favorite part too.
Yeah.
I'm glad that they didn't really go into
the drama
part.
Yeah, I'm not a drama person.
I don't really care for the drama. That's like people's business too, you know? Like, I do like to know the business.
And that's something that really hasn't been done. Like, I'm gonna use my rights here, which is the black one, and I'm gonna kind of smoke it out, kind of a liner, but smoked out. The last shade I will use is Conspiracy, right in the center.
These are our final looks using the Conspiracy palette.
Conspiracy.
By Shane Dawson
And Jeffree.
The conspiracy.
So our final thoughts.
I really like this palette.
Yeah.
I think it is better or best used for color.
I feel like those nude shades are obviously supposed to be nude. On lighter skin tones, they obviously look different. This is more if you're into color. But it is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette to begin with. So his palettes aren't usually like everyday palettes. And it is kind of like a special collab. So, you know, you're not wanting this for everyday look.
Yeah, they're unique colors too. Like, you don't really see them in different palettes or combined in palettes.
Yeah, combined I think in one. Like it's a cool color story.
It's really an amazing thing to be part of the process of this. I think that's what makes it even more special as a palette. You know, it has more meaning to it.
And as like the customer, like the consumer to it. It's like you kind of feel like you're part of it, or like,
yeah,
you know, in your head you like we're giving your commentary like, oh, that's such a cool shade, yeah, go with that one, or no, like, oh yeah, that name's cool, you know what I mean? So like you kind of feel like you're part of like creating it, even though obviously we kind of weren't, but you know, it's like cool in that way, I guess.
Yeah.
So, and also like Shane is just such a sweet guy, and
yeah,
like,
he deserves whatever comes out of this.
Yeah.
We're proud of you, Theo Shane, and thanks to Thea Jeffree
for making
it happen for our boy.
So yeah, we hope that you enjoyed this video of us trying on the Conspiracy palette. I know there's like a gajillion reviews out there, but
this one's ours, and you got 2 looks in one video. Holla, Mimi and Lala. That's
yeah, and 2 different opinions.
Skin tones, 2 different.
It's your 2-in-1 package.
2-in-1.
You're welcome. Make sure you like this video.
And subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.